Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up reverse proxy with Nginx for multiple services, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Nginx installed on your server. You can check the installation by running the command Nginx v in your terminal. Next, update your package index to access the latest versions of software. Use the command sudo apt update if you are on a Debian-based system. After that, install Nginx with sudo apt install Nginx. Once installed, start the Nginx service using sudo system to start. In the server block, set the server name to your domain or IP address by adding server_name yourdomain.com. Now, let's configure the add a location block for the service you want to reverse proxy. Use location/service1/ to indicate the path for your first service. Inside this block, use the directive proxy_pass to point to the service's URL. For example, proxy_pass http://localhost 3001 for a service running on port 3000. Make sure to add proxy_set_header host $host to preserve the original host header. Repeat these steps for any additional services you want to reverse proxy. For example, to add a second service, you might use location/service2/ and set proxy_pass http://. Next, check the Nginx configuration for syntax errors by running sudo nginxt. If everything looks good, reload the Nginx. Test the setup by visiting http://yourdomain.com/service1 in your web browser. You should see your first service responding correctly. Repeat this process for other services as needed. Lastly, consider securing your reverse proxy by setting up SSL. You can use Let's Encrypt for a free SSL certificate. Follow the instructions on the Let's Encrypt website for installation and configuration. With these steps, your Nginx reverse proxy should be fully functional and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.